Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your internet speed quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser. You can use any browser you like: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, you name it. Next, go to a reliable internet speed test website. Some popular ones include speedtest.net, fast.com, and Google's Internet Speed Test. Today, we'll use speedtest.net. Once the site loads, you'll see a large Go button in the middle of the screen. Simply click on it to start the test. Next, it will measure your download speed. This is how fast you can pull data from the internet to your device. Higher download speeds mean faster web browsing, streaming, and downloading files. Finally, it will measure your upload speed. This is how fast you can send data from your device to the internet. Higher upload speeds are important for uploading videos, sending large files, and streaming. And that's it. You've successfully checked your internet speed. If your speeds are lower than expected, you might want to contact your internet service provider for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.